Hi, I'm Guy, and I'm wondering, are your content pages mobile friendly? As you know, this week I'm working on how to make your whole web content presence user friendly. Okay. One part of that is being mobile ready. Okay. Mobile ready doesn't mean that it just works great on a mobile phone. Okay. It's about working well. Okay. Now, there's some links in the Google document that I've got for this episode that talk about the 4 different ways you can mobile test your content. Okay. Now, Google Webmaster Tools, Search Console, no more. They don't have the mobile ready test. So the alternatives to use instead are Responsive Design Checker, Browser Stack, Google Lighthouse. That's what they've come up with as a replacement for the Search Console, and Mobi Ready. So the mobile ready, it's Mobi Ready. This, invents a new word and you've done a coup. So you can go down through the Google document and you can see that in that Google document right down there is the links for all these different services. Okay? And I got to give credit to Boy Media as inspiring this user-friendly idea. And I want you to take a look at this when you get time. There'll be a link right there to share this Google document to your friends, your neighbors, your relatives, etc. Oh, and hey, contact me using the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell and subscribe to future episodes. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.